I'm trying to actually distribute these cards on the table, but this is not going to end well, is it? Beaten? I'm going to get eaten?
Popcorn hates it when you shuffle cards. Shuffle them one more time, Daddy.
Shuffle them over there. No, Dad, keep going. No, go over here. Oh, might be.
Here, honey, cut the cards. Or not.
Popcorn? Who knew you had such passionate feelings about playing cards?
Oh, we have to skip. Go. Wait, lower it to Tracy. That's the concept,
Poor
dude.
Popcorn.
I'm being absolutely bullied by a cockatoo.
Dad, bring him over.
She's a Cocka-bully.
Now shuffle him.
You're a Cocka-bully.
Now shuffle him, Dad. Shuffle
I
him.
can't. He wants to take my hands off with them.
Distraction.
Here. No, shuffle.
A distraction. Oh, nope.
I don't want to get number 8. No, but hey, she is a celebrity. Tracy, look at number.
I just came up with a perfect solution. You know what the perfect solution is?
What?
Your deal, dear.